Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Our today's video is about A-level mathematics. We hope that this video will help you to understand difficult concepts. However, if you feel any difficulty, please let us know through comments and we'll try to help you accordingly. Before we start our today's video, you are requested to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We hope you will like and share it with your friends. Viewers, let's start learning mathematics now. Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. We are starting new exercise 1C and today we'll do question number 1 part E. We will use quadratic formula to solve this question. X equal to minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac whole over 2a. This is the quadratic formula. We'll use this quadratic formula to solve the equation. From the equation we will find the values of a, which is 4, and b, which is equal to 7, and c, which is equal to 2. And now we'll put these values in the quadratic formula. Minus b is 7, plus minus b square means 7 square, minus 4 times a is 4, and times c is 2, whole over 2 times a, and a is 4. Now you have to simplify. On further simplification, you will get x equal to minus 7 plus minus, this will become, on simplification you will get x equal to minus 7 plus under root 17 over 8, and x equals minus 7 minus under root 17 over 8, minus 0.3596, and in two decimal places this is minus 0.36. Similarly, on the right side you will get x equal to minus 1.39. This is the answer. Viewers, thanks for your precious time. Please subscribe to our channel Sara Pakistan and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Hope you will like and share this video within your circle. Stay connected and thanks for watching.